3 pounds of remarkable matter commands your lungs to expand, your skin to feel, and your heart to slow down or speed up. This same 3 pounds of mass interprets the world around you and gives you the ability to remember the things you have seen, heard, smelled, and felt. Every word you speak, every step you take, every gesture you make is the product of this extraordinary matter called the brain. Proverbs chapter 4 and verse 23 lays the foundational principle of life. Keep the heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. Life's issues find their reservoir in the heart or the mind, and by extension, the brain. Brain development begins from the back portion, which controls things like balance, voluntary movement, and even some involvement in thoughts, emotions, and social behavior. At the age of 25, it ends with the frontal lobes, which control reasoning and planning. To maximize brain health and, by extension, our mental health, we need healthy portions of 4 simple elements: sleep, eat, move, and think. Research indicates that sleeping removes toxins from the brain that build up while we are awake. Uninterrupted sleep is like a housekeeper who picks up and organizes all of the clutter that accumulates throughout the day. Thus, in order for our brains to thrive, we must get sufficient sleep. Eating is more than just putting food in the body. Eating is about consuming the type of foods that keep the brain running at an optimal level. Foods such as green and leafy vegetables, berries, walnuts, and foods that are rich in omega-3 are known as brain foods. With these daily nutrients, the brain can deal better with everyday stresses and boost its function. Movement is another element that aids in the care of our brain. Studies suggest that movement stimulates our brain. Inactivity, on the other hand, causes mental atrophy, which can lead to depression. Taking a brisk walk outdoors for at least 30 minutes a day can significantly improve our brain health and ultimately our mental health. Lastly, embracing healthy thoughts can have a significant impact on our brain health. We often do an excellent job evaluating the unhealthy and irrational thinking that others hold, but have difficulties identifying the harmful and baseless thoughts that lie at the core of how we see ourselves and others. The opportunity to share our thoughts with caring and trustworthy friends, family members, or mental health professional can help us discern between the thoughts that we need to embrace and the ones we need to let go. As it is in the natural, so it is in the spiritual. Our minds also need an intangible form of these same elements. Our souls must be nourished with the nutrition of the Word to stay active in service to Jesus and others, to embrace the healthy thought of God loving us despite our past mistakes and present imperfections, and resting in His promise to save us and love us forever.